atoms of dissimilar metals forge a new bond through exquisite fusion. An unprecedented strength is born. This marks the new starting point for PHOHOM, laying a solid material foundation for soaring industrial dreams. Since founded in 2013, we have focused on the fields of high-performance laminated metal cladding and dissimilar metal joining. From breakthroughs in proprietary intellectual property to recognition as a national-level specialized, sophisticated, innovative, and pioneering little giant, PHOHOM has driven progress with innovation as its creed. Innovation thrives in an open ecosystem. We have established a provincial-level enterprise technology center and engage in deep collaboration with numerous leading institutions, including Central South University, Beijing Institute of Technology, Tsinghua University, University of South China, Northeastern University, and East China University of Science and Technology to create an integrated industry university research platform. This enables global vision and leading expertise to move from the laboratory directly to the heart of industry. As a result, a series of internationally leading cladding technologies have been developed, providing solutions for extreme environments and advanced material challenges. Explosive cladding for chamber, underwater, and vacuum environments. Explosive cladding combined with high deformation, ultra-thin material lamination. Cladding for laminated materials with large melting point differences and high brittleness, hardness. Single-step multi-layer material cladding. Seamless bimetallic pipe cladding. Every technological breakthrough means a complex material challenge has found its definitive solution here. Behind the accolades lies a solid foundation of industrialization. Our modern production bases in Liuyang, Hunan, and Jinchang, Gansu. Over 60,000 square meters of smart factory space, equipped with industry-leading manufacturing systems. Leveraging this scale advantage, we efficiently translate cutting-edge achievements into reliable products with stable performance and batch deliverability. Quality is our self-imposed discipline that goes beyond standards. We have fully obtained ISO Triple Management System certification, along with supplier approvals from China National Nuclear Corporation and classification societies, ensuring that every delivery carries absolute trust. PHOHOM embodies both daily innovation and enduring stewardship. With metal cladding materials at our core, we have expanded into a diversified business structure encompassing cladding materials, fittings, components, and equipment. Our products have become reliable enablers of progress in critical fields. From safeguarding nuclear engineering and enabling new energy transitions, to upgrading petrochemical processes, refining non-ferrous metals, and advancing many other vital areas of national importance. PHOHOM serves global clients with diverse solutions and exceptional quality. PHOHOM is powered by innovation-driven R&D and rooted in intelligent manufacturing. We stand at the intersection of present needs and future possibilities, using the power of fusion to deliver more reliable material choices and propel industrial manufacturing toward boundless horizons. PHOHOM, creating infinite possibilities.